Demand for rapid innovation often keeps enterprises in most industries near the edge of chaos. While enterprise IT once operated in the background, it now drives business value by creating new, compelling user experiences delivered on cloud platforms. Delivering modern applications requires a cloud-native approach to application development. Combined with DevOps tools and practices, cloud-native development lets you continuously deliver updates customers want. The IBM Cloud App Service kickstarts cloud-native development by making it simple to build and deploy new microservices-based apps, and by providing teams the tools, languages, frameworks, and security needed to practice polyglot application development at high velocity. Cloud-native development lets you organize teams and tasks around business needs and deliver new applications as a set of microservices. Easily access higher-level services like AI, blockchain, and IoT to delight customers. Because IBM Cloud Services harness expertise and worldwide infrastructure, your team is freed to focus on what your customers need. Try the IBM Cloud App Service today to get started building your cloud-native application.